Hey heroes, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Nathan Olson, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to make a viral Instagram reel. Some tips, tricks, and hacks you can use to make sure that your Instagram reels go viral. Coming up. Now when it comes to Instagram Reels, now is never a better time to start. With the new introduction of Instagram Reels, Instagram is doing something interesting with its algorithm. It's promoting the new channel feature and promoting new content that's getting uploaded to Instagram Reels. This is something that we've seen happen throughout all of Instagram's history, especially with the introduction of IGTV, Stories, and now Reels. Instagram always manipulates their algorithm in order to incentivize engagement and overall reach on these new channel features in order to promote the content production and even the switch for a lot of short video creators. Now, Instagram's plan is simple. They essentially want to take all the TikTok followers and creators away from the TikTok platform, and the only way they do that is by manipulating their engagement on their platform. Of course, us, the end user, we are absolutely captivated by engagement. Whether it's likes, comments, or even shares, the more engagement on our posts, the better we feel and the happier we are. It's just something that's native for us, and it's kind of an instant gratification that Instagram has learned to manipulate and utilize to promote some of their new features. In this case, Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is now promoted on the Explore page. It's categorized in hashtags. It even has its own third tab on account feed homes, where you can navigate between traditional post, IGTV, and now specifically Instagram Reels. If this doesn't show any indication that Instagram is strategically pushing Instagram Reels towards all their users, then I don't know what will. But with this push for Instagram Reels means that there's a higher amount of engagement, virality, and overall reach for anybody that's producing Instagram Reels. And so it's important that you start creating Instagram Reels as well as pay attention to how much time has elapsed since they've first been launched. It's been seen that Instagram constantly reduces the overall amount of organic reach and engagement for new channels as the time goes on. We see that with IGTV, Stories, and even traditional posts, they've all really dwindled in overall organic reach, but we're in a sudden splurge of massive reach for Instagram Reels, and this is something that you should take advantage of. So let's really dive in on how to maximize the overall potential of your Instagram Reels. Now, when it comes to producing viral Instagram Reels, the rules of TikTok almost apply exactly. If you want to make a viral TikTok video, then you need to pay attention to a couple key features, and those key features are exactly the same thing that you need to pay attention to on Instagram Reels. And those key features are, you need to have an appropriate caption, you need to utilize hashtags, you need to have proper editing and high quality content, you need to utilize songs and or sounds, and finally, you want to set up your content in a way that it increases or maximizes the overall amount of watch time. Now, watch time is a key feature for almost any platform, especially video platforms, where their major metric for revenue is the total accumulated amount of time watched, as well as their monthly user basis. So for you, in order to maximize your overall amount of reach, your growth and engagement, having content that is well properly edited, utilizes hashtags that help it boost in awareness, and then having content that captivates the reader and incentivizes them to watch till the end to maximize your overall amount of watch time is really going to give you the best shot of going viral on Instagram through your Instagram Reels. Now, one thing that Instagram Reels has done very well, and I think that it's a feature that TikTok should probably look into getting, is the Align feature in Instagram Reels. When it comes to editing and even creating transitions in Instagram Reels, it can be hard to remember exactly where you were or even the exact setting. With the Align feature on Instagram Reels, you're able to see a small opaque feature that is transparent and laid on top of your current camera view. That way you can get yourself in position and maybe even some of your background. This will help create flawless transitions and really help with the film editing and overall content creation process when you're creating a lot of these Instagram Reels. The Align feature, you're gonna find out, is gonna be a huge time saver. I can't tell you how many times that I've spent hours trying to perfect the perfect transition for my TikTok video, and it's really all just a matter of whose eye is better, because when it comes down to making transitions and cuts and edits, it's really about the detail and paying attention to certain areas where there is a big difference in one clip to the next. So with this align feature, it's really gonna eliminate all of that. All you're gonna have to do is stand in your outline and get into position. Now, it's without question that TikTok has been able to develop an enormous amount of trends, challenges, and even dances that have exploded off of the platform onto other social platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Now with Instagram Reels, challenges from TikTok are being replicated, but they're being replicated natively. And that means they're not being reposted as a TikTok video on Instagram, they're not being posted as an IGTV video, they're actually being recreated under Instagram Reels. So a lot of the viral TikTok challenges and trends that live and die so fast and probably have been forgotten by a lot of TikTok users are now seeing a resurgence on Instagram Reels. And what does this mean for you? That means that pay attention to the TikTok trends that really exploded over this past couple of years and try to recreate some of those on your Instagram Reels. You'll notice that you'll get a ton of engagement, typically comments and likes, because a lot of the TikTok trends that blow up on TikTok and move on to other platforms are typically really relatable pieces of content, and it's really easy to share amongst a ton of people. And that's why we see it go so viral. So if you're looking for content that's gonna really just give you a massive boost in the overall amount of engagement and reach your Instagram Reels receive, then recreating viral topics from other platforms can be a fantastic way for you to really maximize your overall growth. And be on the lookout for new challenges, trends, and even dances. I know TikTok is a huge content creator platform, and therefore there's a lot of dances and challenges that actually get established and built on that platform. Then if you're a talented dancer or a creative musician, think about creating new challenges, new sounds, and new songs in order to spread your overall awareness on the Instagram Reels platform. Just like TikTok, Instagram Reels allows the ability to share sounds and even listen to them on their specific sound page. So this can be a great way for you to build awareness and even overall reach for your brand and your overall talent. Another key feature of going viral on almost any social platform is collaborating with other influencers. If you really want to increase your overall reach and growth, then connecting with more people that are established on the platform is only going to help you. You have to think of influencers as really popular individuals in this sort of social club. If you want to have more people with eyes on you and have a bigger social circle, then you're going to need to network and connect with these influencers. And what better way than to create a 15-second Instagram Reel that helps both of you create content? Instagram Reels is a perfect way to test out new pieces of content, collaborative ideas, and even go a little off the beaten path. For a lot of Instagram influencers and content creators, you'll see that they create a wide variety of Instagram Reels that sometimes don't pertain particularly to their overall niche, but are a testing phase for maybe a new piece of content that might be pushed to their YouTube, IGTV, or later their feed post. So start looking for influencers that are within your niche that you'd like to collaborate with. Reach out to them and think about new content ideas that you can bring to them in order to jumpstart the Instagram Reel creation process. The best thing about Instagram Reels is we don't technically need to be in the same location in order to film it. I've done a ton of videos where the actors and or the people starring in them simply send in their videos to me, and I'm able to chop them up and edit them in a way that it all flows together. So don't be afraid that even though the influencer you want to partner with is outside of your city or state, you can still collaborate with them virtually by sending content to each other and editing it online. Now, last but not least, this is something that's gonna seem kind of simple, but for a lot of people it's hard to do, and that's gonna be staying consistent. Now, don't be afraid that if your first couple of videos don't go viral, don't lose your persistence, don't lose your determination. Instagram Reels are gonna be something that are gonna be around for a long time, and you'll notice that the more you create, the more chances you have for going viral, and if you do go viral, the more views that get spread to other videos. Because when your video goes viral, chances are that the individual doesn't just stop there. They'll typically take a look at your account, see what other type of content you offer, and decide whether to follow you or not. Therefore, if you have one video that's gone viral and you simply stop creating, you could lose out on a lot of engagement and a lot of followings. However, if you're consistent, even if you haven't gone viral yet, by creating a large library of IGTV videos as well as Instagram Reels, you're giving people the option to explore your content creation process And so when a video or Instagram reel finally does go viral, you'll have influencers, followers, and a ton of eyes on your content, scouring through it, seeing what they like about it, and increasing the overall amount of engagement on all those videos. So when it comes to creating Instagram Reels and you're looking to go viral, consistency is probably one of the biggest things. And then appropriately editing your content, filling out proper captions, utilizing hashtags are all going to give you a giant boost in the overall amount of awareness and reach that those Instagram Reels are able to create. And thanks to the Instagram algorithm, it's going to be posted everywhere because Instagram is really looking to jumpstart its Instagram's Reel production process, as well as kind of push TikTok out of the major spotlight for short form video content. So if you're keeping consistent, then you're constantly going to be giving your Instagram account a chance to go viral and to have more followers and eyes on it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed. Make sure to drop a comment or any questions in the comment section down below. I love talking to all of you guys. If you need any more help, please go check out our blog. We have a ton of valuable information on there for absolutely free, and we're posting new content almost every single week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you want to talk to me personally about some collaborative ideas, go ahead and reach out to me at nathan@yourcharisma.com. I'll be receiving all emails there. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned to the next one.